An important way that you can contribute to research is by providing a blood sample. That blood sample is very important because it can power many researchers all to do research for you. We try and make this easy for you. We send a kit to your home, and you can then take that kit to a local laboratory and have your blood drawn, and they will send that sample in. Your sample is de identified, meaning that no one knows who you are, they don't know your name. On the other hand, it's important to have your specific genetic variation represented because if we start to develop treatments that are based on the individual variation, we might need to test them on cells before we test them in people. And we would need your cells to be able to test that new treatment before we would want to expose you to potentially any dangers that might be inherent in a new treatment. From your blood sample, we can take your cells and be able to make them into something called induced pluripotential stem cells. And believe it or not, from your blood sample, we can even make cells that look like brain cells. That allows researchers, again, to be able to try out treatments on your cells directly, even mini brain cells, without having to expose you to any of that. Those blood samples can be used for a long time so that we don't have to come back to you over and over again to get new blood samples. Sometimes in the research, we also ask for other family members to donate samples, someone like a brother or sister or mother or father. That allows us to see in someone who's genetically similar whether or not the treatment either has any problems or if it looks like it has something good, if it does like looks like it's doing its job. So other members of your family, if they're willing, can also participate in that research as well. All of these are important reasons and ways that you can contribute in research and make sure that your voice is heard.